Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Lexus NX200t F-sport maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the back button, left, right, up and down, and the enter is right in the middle. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Every time you see this screen, go ahead and press back. Now go ahead and scroll left or right to go find your page, which is here. We were there, but I just want to show you where it is. So when you get here into the setting, go ahead and scroll down, all the way down. You're going to be resetting two items. The first item will be schedule maintenance. Go ahead and enter on that. Scroll up to yes, enter on that. Now you go ahead and go back and scroll down to oil maintenance. You're gonna have to reset that too. Enter on it. Scroll up to yes and enter on that. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.